So children, we go to part 2 of our discussion on mode, where we are going to see how we find the mode. So there are mixed questions also, that's why I have written, because ICSE they mixes two things, mean, median, like that. So this is mode and median. So find mode and median of this following, what we call grouped discrete data. So please see my introductory lesson on statistics, central tendency, where you will understand the three different types of data. This is called grouped discrete data. Discrete means fixed values are there. And I am solving question, ICSE question 2012. So mode means, as I told you, which has the maximum frequency, children. So directly you see, without doing anything, 14 has frequency as 9. So your mode will be 14 variate 14 has maximum frequency, which is 9. So your answer is not 9. Remember, frequency is never the answer in this full discussion of mean, median, mode. Frequency is never the answer. It is the variate, which is the variable x, you get the answer. So 9 is the highest frequency. Frequency means how many times a thing occurs. 1, 4, 7, 5, 9, 3. So see, 9 has maximum, 14 has maximum frequency 9. So 9 is not the answer. Mode is 14 because 14 has maximum frequency 9. So answer is not 9, children, it is 14. Now how to find median? So median, as I taught you in my part 1, you see for raw data, ungrouped data, we put in array or ascending order, my part 1 video, but here and in the group data, we have to find something called cumulative frequency. How we do? Let us see. 1 will be 1, you add 4, this will be 5, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 plus 9 is 26, 26 plus 3 is 29. Once more, 1, 1, 4, 5, 5, 7, 12, 12, 5, 17. So like that you go. So my n, so remember, this you add, this is called summation of f for n. This will also be 29. Add 5, 12, 17, 26, 29. So how we get the median of this? Mode I have already got. Part A I have got. So see, median. Median, if you see in my introductory video, median is when n is odd. So n is 29 odd. So we have a formula, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. OBS means observation. So we have n 29 children plus 1 by 2. So this is my 15th, 30 by 2, 15th observation. 15th observation. 15 is not the answer. So what is the 15th observation? See here nicely. It comes here. In median part 2 also I have explained. Between 12 and 17, 15 comes here. Okay, so 15 comes in between this. So here take the upper value. 12 has value 12 here and 17 has 13. So median will be 13. See once more, 15 comes between this. This has 12. See the upper value, 17 has 13. This is the median. And just to make it plain, just to explain what is happening, you will see if you put them in line. Okay, one person has 10 mark, There are 4 people standing having 11. Next 7 people are 12. So people from 13th to 17th, if they are standing, then their x's variate is 30. Okay, so if they are standing in line 1, 10, like that, 11 there are 4s, then there are 7 12s, then after that there are 5 13. So we come here. The 15th observation, if you see out of 29, leave 14 this side, leave 14 this side, it will give you 13. So maybe it is a little difficult now. Slowly when I explain more, you will understand. So please pause the video and copy. Now we take second question, number 9. You will see here we have to find all 3. So mixed question, I told you, find mean, median, mode of the following. This is class assessment of 30 students. So children, always see if the full frequency is given, see that. Sometimes we add, sometimes it is given. So please see, it is the class assessment of 5 mark of 30 students. So since we have to find median, we find the cumulative frequency. And since we have to find mean, we have to find fx, because this is something like direct method what we have. So let us start with the very last one, mode. I start with the last one, mode, because it will be easier for you to understand. Mode, you see children here, nothing you have to do. This is for, as I told you, median. This is for mean. Mode, simply you see 10 is the highest frequency. So 10 is not the answer, 3 is the answer. Highest frequency of 10. Okay. So the variate 3, which is the answer of highest frequency. Frequency is never the answer, so don't write 10, it will be wrong. Mode is 3. Next we move on to mean. Okay, so mean, let us see, this 2 we multiply. This is 0, this is 3, 2 6 are 12, 3 10s are 30, 4 5s are 20, and 5 5s are 25. So this is called fx. So our mean is, children, mean is equal to summation of fx by summation of f. This is summation of f, which is 30 given. You can check when you add. This is 30, this is also sometimes called n. So when you add this, 15, 45 and 45, 90. So for mean, children, this into this, f and x you multiply, and what comes you add, it is called summation of fx. So mean is 90 and number of thing is 30. So mean is also 3. So what we see, mean is 3. Now the third one, children, the second one is called median. So median, if you see, there are even number of things. So median is, if you see, given by n by 2th observation plus n by 2th plus 1 observation by 2. So let us see what does this mean. This is the formula, because n is 30, which is even. N is 30, which is even. So for even number, see my previous discussion in median where I have taught you this. So median is this. So what is n by 2? So 30th by 2 plus 30th by 2 plus 1. So we have this observation by 2, which is nothing but 15th observation plus 16th observation by 2. So now let us, before doing this you could have done CF, now we can find the CF find CF and do, better you do CF first. What is CF? 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 25, and this is 30. And one thing you will see, children, the last cumulative frequency is equal to the frequency. Now see, where will our 15 come? See here. 15th observation and 16th observation will come here. So as I told in the previous sum, 11th to 20th value, okay, is 3. 11th to 20th value is 3. Okay, so this is the meaning if you understand in ascending order, because median means middle one. So with logic I am telling you, this is mathematical. So let me finish the mathematical. 15th and 16th value are both. It is here between 10 and 20, 15th and 16th value is there. So I take, you take the upper value. So it is your 3 plus 3, median is 3 plus 3 by 2, which is 3. So 15th observation, 16th observation divided by 2. So median is also 3, mean is also 3, mode is also 3. But median, let me tell you in short how we are getting. Imagine there are 30 students standing in ascending order of their mark. One student has got 0. Okay, 3 students after that have got 1. So 4 students we already have. Then next 6 students they are standing, they have got 2 in exam. Then from 11th student to the 20th student, if they are standing, they are getting 3 marks. So if you want to, please pause the video and write. I'll tell you on the ground with this sum, what is the meaning of median. I told you mathematical, now I am telling you logical, which is quite interesting. So pause the video and copy, and then I am explaining now. So what I do for median, children, okay, I'll write like this. First person, they're standing in order of your marks. One boy has got 0, then 3 boy has got 1, then 6 boy have got 2, 6 boys. Then next 10 boys have got 3. So like that you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that 4 will come. Now you see the 15th value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15th value and 16th value. When these children are standing in a line, not in height order but marks order, the 15th boy's mark is 3, the 16th boy's mark is 3. It is up to 20. 21st boy onward till 25th boy, if you can continue, they are getting 4 marks, and the last 5 children, 26 to 30th, they get 5. So like that, if you draw in a line, you will understand that this is the mark of 15th boy and 3 is the mark of the 16th boy. We take the mean of that. So please pause the video and copy. I'll go to the one last ICSE question. The last question for today is ICSE 2010, question 10 from exercise 21.3 from ML Agrawal's book. So we have question 10 where we have been given variate x and frequency f, and we have to find here again, we have to find again the mean, median and mode. So like before, okay. So let me do in order because last question I did more. Let us start with mean. For mean, if you see children, we have to see fx. Don't see. CF is for median. This is for median and this is for mean. See my previous question. Multiply. 3 5s are 15. 6 9s are your 9 6 are 54, 7 6 are 42, 8 4s are 32, 9 2s are 18, and 10 1s are 10. So when you add them, children, you will see 11, this is 1 2, 2, 3, 8, 12, 15, 16, 17. When you add this, it is already given. So you don't make a mistake. Total sum of frequency is 25. Sum of fx is 171. Mean is 171 by 25. This we will calculate it. So next one is median. Median is, calculate this and check. It will be 25 6 you will get 6 point something, you will see. So median is your this, you see, n is your odd number. So here we have median. For odd number, you divide by 2 this observation. So 25 plus 1 by 2, that is, you get 13th observation. 13th observation, if you see. So for this, first you do cumulative frequency. So here I am telling you what observation, but you have to draw, remember, cumulative frequency. Never see. Some children, they see frequency, you will never get this. So what we do, 3, 3, 9, 12, 18 and 4, 22, 24, 25. So what we have, see, this two will be same. So where will 13 come? 13 will come here. And I told you where 13 comes, there are two values, 6 and 7. Remember, answer is never frequency, it is the variate x. Take the higher value. 13 comes here, you take the higher value here. 12 has 6, 18 has 7. So 13's next values x you see. So this is 7. So 13 is not the answer. 7 is the answer. Okay. So, and third thing is very easy, children. You calculate the mode. Mode is which has, don't see anything, you don't see anything, which has maximum frequency. So our maximum frequency is 9. So mode is 6. And here I told you calculate, you will get, if you do 6 and then if you divide, if I remember correctly, you will get 0.84. So please check by doing this is easy division. So this is mean, this is median, and mode, if you see, 9 is maximum frequency. So 6 as it has maximum frequency, and that frequency is 9 of 9, but 9 is not the answer. So this is how we do mean, median, mode of grouped discrete data. So kindly pause the video and copy. Thank you for watching, children.